Hello from ScienceWiz. We are really excited to be working with Sunshine Sales on this 2021 kickoff Zoom Shine, and we look forward to showing you what we've been working on this past year that we're introducing for 2021. So here we go. We wish we were here in person with you. Of course, circumstances are such that we aren't and can't, but we really do appreciate what the Sunshine Sales team is doing. And here we go. Introducing Next Level Science Kits from ScienceWiz. These science kits blend hands-on play with tremendous online content, useful for both individual or the classroom setting. With this new format, we are introducing ScienceWiz Online Distance Learning. By incorporating modern learning tools, we're going beyond traditional science kits. Each set is connecting to online tools and key science subjects, for example, light. We provide content for multiple projects with instruction. With modern learning tools for different learning types. And this new format comes in a portable package with a handle box. It's science on the go. Online videos, simulations, and interactions, all connected to ScienceWiz award-winning science kits. Plus, there's an optional upgrade for added learning through a subscription program. Self-directed play and learning for classroom, home, or tutoring environments. On the side of each of the boxes of the new science kits, there's a scannable QR code that allows you to preview the online learning tools before buying. If you pause this video now and hold your device over the QR code, you'll be able to preview the electricity set. In summary, our new science kits offer a unique handlebox packaging upgrade with materials and instructions included, featuring proven best-selling titles, and each kit has access to our new online interactive learning tools, with a suggested retail price of $19.99, with enhanced opportunity for placement and sales growth in 2021.